Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm in the members area for summer traffic. And as you can see, there's a few things here. Your total traffic fix, support, log out, and join the elite group, which is what David has. This is welcome video, and there's another welcome video from Julia Fawcett Murray. So yeah, and then there's all these. We'll come back to that later. I'll just go to my bonus page now. We'll have a quick run through that. Here's my bonus page, and it's summer traffic, and it doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. So what is summer traffic all about? Send traffic to any URL of your choice. Get set up in 60 seconds. Your links placed in 5 times different rotators, including the brand new spring traffic rotator from a brand new traffic source. So, and then we've got our we've got prices and upsells here, and then front end summer traffic, $12.95, down sale $9.95. Access to powerful summer traffic software and training modules. Upsell number 1, summer traffic pro version, $47, down sale $27. Submit 5 extra links to all 5 sales rotators. Yes, that's a massive 25 additional links. Upsell number 3, reseller rights, $47, down sale $27. Get reseller rights to summer traffic. Sell it as if it was your own product, and keep commissions across the entire funnel. Excuse me. Upsell number 4, done for you weekly campaigns, $97, down to $47. Get sent 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review, video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Requested requires commission griller, of course. Yes, yeah, well that's yeah, okay. Upsell number 5, Elite Academy Beta Tester, $9.97 or $4.97, 3 payments of $4.97 for a limited time. This exclusive offer will include beta access to David's new high ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this year or later this month. Be one of the very first to join. See the sales page for full details. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Complete set and forget system. Submit any URL once and get free daily traffic forever. Works in any niche. Includes free traffic from 5 different traffic rotators. Totally newbie friendly. No list required. Set it all up in seconds. Fast action will 10 times your profits. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Get summer traffic now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, access to high ticket mastery. Now this is a course that you have to log into, so it requires an email address and password to set up an account. So you got to set up an account, email and password, yeah, for that. And then you get into that, and it's by Brendan Mason. He'll teach you how to all about high ticket items, what's all about that, and how, because that's what he'll explain that's what John O. Armstrong and he does himself, as do high ticket products. That's how they make their money. So that's what he'll teach you how to do that as well. Okay, so bonus number 2, content curation. This is also a John Armstrong video where he shows you a way to get traffic, or the easy way and the hard way, which he shows you both, right? So that's there. That's that there. Bonus number 3, value 344.95. Gemini. Get Gemini. So Gemini is another one that has where you have to create an account. That means email and password. And so once you've done that, then it's about building your email list. You see, so that's what that's about. So, and you do that with the content creation hack, and they go together. Bonus number 4, value $267. Access the Fuego breakout. Same thing again. Fuego breakout is the same thing. You have to create an account, so it's email address and password, and it's about an Instagram influencers and getting the traffic from them. Okay, so that's what that one's about. Bonus number 5, take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free and same bonus package before the countdown timer hits there, and you've got 3 days. So here you go, and I'm Tony Maynard, the creator of this bonus page. Okay, so, and we'll go to the sales page now. Have a look at the sales page. Here we are. So when you go into the sales page and go up to the browser, click away, you get a $3 discount. The pop-up will come up, and this is what it says, $3 discount off. That's off the front end. So here you are. You've got that to consider. It doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. Experience, email list, or no experience, email list, or tech skills required. No, that's right. Grab summer traffic now and save $184.05. Usually $197 per month. Today only one-time payment of $12.95. So you get $3 off that. So that brings it down to $9.95. So with the pop-up, 3 step is all it takes. Step 1, purchase. Step 2, set up your system, and step 3, sit back, enjoy your free buyer traffic each and every day, forever, from 5 times different traffic rotators. And there's your proof of income, so-called traffic systems that never actually produce any traffic. Right. Grab summer traffic now and save. Yeah, click here to get instant access from the desk of David and Julia Fawcett Murray. Yeah, that's right. So there's some more here, explanations, and people who just can't get results. Same old thing. They're pulling their hair out, you know. Going on about uncertain times. Well, you know, it's only if you want to believe it, I guess. Things are just still the same. You still go to work. You still have to pay your bills, and you still have to pay your taxes. So that's about the size of that one. But who gets laid off and who doesn't is the key. See, but that's active income. See, that's how that works. See, that's one of the 4, isn't it? You know, see everything you get. You know, this is for summer traffic. You see, with active income, you don't want to get laid off. You don't want to get made redundant. And you don't want to get sick, and you don't want to get hurt either, because if you do, you lose your income, see? So what are these? These are the bonuses. Are they? Summer traffic. See everything you get. Summer traffic and all of the following today. You've got summer traffic, spring traffic, winter traffic, and a triple traffic, and a total traffic, and traffic times 2.0, and 30-day money back guarantee, just like I said on my bonus page. So are you starting to see, are you ready to start seeing results like these ones that David achieved. Yeah. Okay, that's all very fine for David. Yeah, see, this is how old that is. I mean, that's 2 years old. You know, that is 2 years old now. You know, so that's a waste of time, doesn't mean anything. Yeah, well, that's right, that's me being honest about that. My experience with rotators is that they don't guarantee you any actual sales. Bonus, 1, Tiger's traffic. Bonus number 2, Ducky dollars. Bonus number 3, commission blueprint. Bonus number 4, the lockdown formula. Bonus number 5, dolphin dividends. 30-day money back guarantee, of course. Why you must act now. Summer traffic, what you get, and that, and everything like that, and celebrating the wins, and yeah, 1990 or whatever. Add to cart. You'll see you on the inside. Yeah, those are the two who are responsible for this product. So, summer traffic. I guess you can give that all guess a whirl for the price. It's probably worth having a go at it. Yeah. So we'll go to the members area now, and here's the members area here. We're in the members area, as I just gave a rundown before. So what we got here? We've got David's welcome, so you can do that. That's his welcome, and then you've got the overview here. Here's the overview of how this works, how Hammertronic works, and then you've got start training section. It's introduction to the training. Submit your URL, and they show you how to do that. Obviously, access the other member areas. Test your URLs. Very very important. Sorry, my eyesight's not the best, but anyway, whatever. Resources. So you got onto resources as well. Here are the resources. So you got your special squeeze pages, regular squeeze pages. You got your in the conclusion. Here's the conclusion there. You got your bonuses. There's your bonuses there. For that was on the sales page, and you've got your upgrades there, and you've got your global ambassador bonuses, and that's there. Okay, so, and that's the end of the members area. Basically, let's just go through it. The only really important part is the training here. That's really the only important part, really, and the squeeze pages. And then just the conclusion. So this is the basic part of it. That's all. It's very small. There's not much to do. So you're just learning how to use the rotators and everything else, and learning how to use squeeze pages to get as well to get people on your list, I suppose. And that's the end of that. So I'll go back to my bonus page now and have a look at that again and just show you what you get with this. Yeah, you see, so I'll show you what you get in here with this to help you along the way with summer traffic. So you're getting as a bonus for buying through my link, you'll get access to the high ticket mastery. Teaches you about high ticket products and how to use them and do what you want. Brendan Mace will take you through that. And content curation is John Armstrong video, and he'll take you through that. Which will go with the next one, Gemini, which is about email lists. So they'll take, it's another course. You take you through that. You get through that, and then you can. Then there's Virgo breakout for more traffic from influencers at Instagram, and then it's just take action today and access all of the bonuses. And you've got 3 days, like I said. So. Give it a whirl. I mean, it's only 30-day money get guarantee, but it's cheap as chips, $9 front end. So, if you want to get under the upsells, well, that's up to you. But yeah, it's a reasonably good product. I mean, it's just traffic, so you can just give it a go, give it a whirl, see if it works for you. I mean, once you've done it, you've done it, and then you see what happens. You can monitor it and see. Yeah, well, so give it a go. Traffic. Yeah. traffic summer traffic. Get your copy of summer traffic and get some more traffic to your sites or whatever you've got, you know, your squeeze pages and whatever else. All right. And with that, I'll say, well, thank you for watching. Going through this video with me. So get your copy today of summer traffic. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Sorry. And if you click on any of these red buttons, you'll get to the page. And the page will be on my YouTube channel, and the link will be in the description or in the first comment. So I'm sorry about that. I had a bit of a pause here. And you click on any of these red buttons, see them here, and you can get to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of summer traffic. Okay, and with that, I'll say, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye for now.